a place where you can run free. Time does not exist.
Welcome back, guys, and take a look at the ingredients. Yes, today we are doing tacos, and these are the ingredients. We have our salt and pepper mixture, onion powder, minced garlic, and we have our ground beef and our taco shells. Guys, look at that, nice and crispy, and these are corn tacos. So we're going to get on with the cooking, so let's go. Yes, guys, and our oil is roaring hot, so we're just going to add some of that minced garlic to get that nice and aromatic. Yes, guys, look at that, beautiful, smell amazing. Now we're going to add our ground beef. When it's like this, you just break it up. Works every time, right? And leave down in the comment section and tell us what you want to see us prepare next. We realize that you guys love the burrito, and based on that, you requested beef tacos, and here it is. Alright. Coming along with the salt and pepper. Sprinkle from high so it's evenly spread.
Yes, guys, let's go and take it in.
Onion powder mixture.
It's like a perfume for the kitchen.
That onion powder. Yes, guys. Work this all in now. And allow this beef to cook. So we're just going to allow this to get a nice sear, right?
Yeah, guys, so I make this go on sweat and steam out the right way. And when it's partially cooked, we're gonna add that tomato paste. So we soon forward.
So forward. Yes, guys, and we're back. Look at that. Beautiful. Just going to add some cheese. Look at that. Mix it all up in there. Get that nice and melted. And guys, you can use whichever cheese you have. Don't make anything spoil. Nothing nah waste, nothing nah dash way. Remember Chef Reid and Chef Alexander tell you that, right? Incorporate that cheese in that beef. Guys, I'm so excited I can't even talk properly. Yes, guys, look at that. Lovely. Now, time for that. Tell them, Chef.
Marinara, guys.
Yes. Alright, all up in there. And I'm just going to come right along with some Scotch Bonnet sauce, guys. And I'm just going to allow this to simmer for an additional 5 minutes or 3 minutes, and then we can start assembling those tacos. So forward. Yes, guys, you're seeing that sizzle, ready for the assembly.
So we will soon forward when we assemble this, and I put it over the plating station. So don't go nowhere. Soon forward.
Guys, time for the assembly, and look at that. So
yeah, guys, I'm already warm. We'll put them in the oven to get warm. So now we're gonna start assembly.
Yes, guys. So I'm just going to add my rabbit. Look at it, carefully. Going to add that cucumber right there at an angle right there, guys. And I'm going to add some of the
tossed veg.
Yes, in there. Generous amount. Look at that. You don't want the shell to be empty, right? Perfect. Coming along with the beef. Not just yet. Coming along with the, tell them, Chef.
The spicy aioli, guys.
Yes, guys, and I'm just generously adding that to the slaw. make it as well, right? Look beautiful. Coming along with the beef now. Generously, guys, be careful, don't want to break the shell. I'm going to add that beef in right in there. Look at that. I'm just going to demonstrate one more and after the plating station, so I'm just going to rest this aside, get on with the next demonstration. Right, shell first step, cucumber at an angle, cucumber at an angle, toss veg, get it in there, spicy aioli, now the beef, and there you have it. Right, off to the plating station. Let's go. Yes, guys, and off with the first taco, but it's not Taco Bell.
Look at that.
The next, beautiful. Look at that.
Nice, nice.
Coming along with a final one, and guys, you can enjoy this as a friend meal or a friend day out. All of you guys can just, you know, enjoy these and have a blast. Right, look at that, 3 lovely tacos. Look at that, beautiful, right? And it's nice and fresh, guys. You will enjoy every piece of this, right? Beautiful. Yes, look at that. Yes, guys, that's lovely. Beautiful. Right, coming along with that garnish. Right there. That's fine, guys, that's fine. You just set it back. These things do happen, right? One right there, the other over there. And guys, remember to follow our Instagram. Pictures will be posted over there. Add us on our chef TikTok, guys. What we gonna do? Add us, man. We have a lot of tricks and tips for you guys over there. And there you have it, our crispy beef tacos. Yes, guys. Until next time. Bye, foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?